this is one of the areas that the people are really suffering, and the government of Khartoum, they are bombing these areas. That's why the people are living in these racks, and all the time they cannot go outside. They're just staying in these places. And you can see the situation, what's going on. They're really suffering, and they have no food, they have nothing, and they can't even go outside to get the water because of the bombardment. And today I witnessed a lot of bombardment. They were bombing all the areas around these places. Families are staying under this rock because of the protection of the Air Force, Sudanese Air Force. They have been bombing this area all day, all night. These families, they have children. This woman has a small baby. This baby have just 1 month, and they're born here. And this is the kids are here. There's no food, no water, nothing. And the international community, they are still listening the Sudanese government that there is no problem in the Nuba Mountains. And I think the international community need to look at this situation to make action as soon as they can to save the life of the children of the Nuba Mountain.
Yeah.
Okay, I am in this hospital. It's just a small clinic. It's helping for those who are injuring for the bombardment. So we have witnessed today the government of Sudan have bombing this all day long today, and I have witnessed. And you can see this lady here. She hurt herself very badly. You can see the leg. And that's from the Antonov fighter. And also you have a baby here. It was also happened. This baby have 5 months, and you can see this kind of the situation. That's why we are always crying that the international community should act as soon as possible to save the life of the people of the Nuba Mountain. There is another baby also here. Also was injured in the back from the bombardment, from what the government of Sudan doing. These are the people are criminals. This is what they did in Darfur, and they're doing it in the Nuba Mountain now. And now the international community is just keeping quiet, not saying anything. So we need action as soon as possible, the life of these people. So this area is a Krungu area. What's the name of the city?
Asolo.
Asolo. And we really, this is the medicine that we provided last time, and now he's part of the helping now, because this place, it was nothing here. But praise God, because we have little that arrived to them. Also, we have the plane coming and bombing us. That's why we are now staying here. Okay. All these mountains, they are all over, everywhere. And they cannot be staying out from these rocks. They have to stay here because the government is bombing them. All the children are here. They can't do anything. They can't go to school. They don't have anything, no food, no clean water. They're just here. So this is really, we want the international community to know this, to help these people. As you see our situation, we are suffering. We have no water. We are anger. The children are suffering. The plane coming 24 hours to bomb us. It's Russian cheat, which is Antonov, and other planes. Some of the children are sick, and other ladies. Some kids are dying. There is no clothes. They are just naked. They are sick. All the houses is burned. This is all what they have gone. This city is called Tabanya, and is very large city, and there's a lot of people are all around all these mountains. You can see all these mountains, all the families are there. So anyhow, thank you. Shukran. What's your baby name?
Huh?
Jazuli.
Jazuli.
Okay, Jazuli. Jazuli don't come.
How old is she?
Seventeen.
2 years.
Aha, malu ras sudah malu.
Darash.
Terus tahu
Tataya.
That's the parts from the bombing from the aircraft.
Filganaya?
The area is called Al-Kanaya.
Itu waktu itu wajan ada في يوم واحد.
You injured also you and your baby
Itu كنت
at
شاله
the same time?
كنت شاله؟
والله.
She was not carrying the baby. She was away from the baby. But the whole part
في كم نفر تعوق اليوم انت تعوقت فيه؟
هنا
22
سبع نفر.
How many people have injured during the place where you was? About 7 people. 7 people died.
ماتوا؟
7 people died.
أنا فضل ده كم نفر؟ 9 نفر.
Those who were injured, there were 9.
طيارة 20 نفر ولا شنو؟
What kind of plane?
بس
I don't know. That was just a plane.
بس شكرا لك يا ربنا يشفيك إن شاء الله.
عندك عيال متعود.
I have 3 kids that are injured. I have them around, somewhere around there in Iraq.
عنده صوت يعني مش؟
متياس؟
Matthias also was injured.
ها؟ خير الله. عمرك كم؟
How old are you?
ولا 14 سنة؟
14 years.
انت تعوقت وين؟ جناية؟
Also injured in a place called
في
Ganaya.
نفس اليوم تعوق في جماعة ولا في يوم
The same day when these people have been injured.
طيب وحاسة كيف؟
How you feel now? I'm okay. About the water issues in the city called Ada. The city of Ada, they have about 35,000 people. And they really need more big pumps so that they can have enough water here. And then we have every day people are coming from Nuba Mountains, and we need more international community to bring some kind of relief to them here. And because there's too many people and they don't have even food because they left everything back home, and now they have a problem for this place. So I want to just let you see how is the water issue.
Yeah.